Hi friends, this is your mentor, guide, and supervisor, and your friend Dr. S. Certifications. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how we are going to create a login to use AWS Amazon account, and also we will also see the importance of AWS Cloud and what are the types of certifications are possible in this AWS that you are going to see. So wait for a second. Now we will go through the practical set of screens for creation of account as well as through PPT about the benefits of the cloud, AWS Cloud, and we'll also see the types of certifications that AWS Cloud going to provide. Now we are going to see the PPT which shows how we are going to create an account in AWS. It is a step-by-step procedure. So through PPT we are going to see. So we are starting from first slide. So how we are going to create an account for using AWS services. So this is the screen which tells about how we are going to get this AWS website page. So in Google you can type AWS sign up, or you can directly type in the URL aws.amazon.com. And here we have to create an account under any of these four type. So generally we are preferring to create an account using always free. So if you choose the type, accordingly the kind of services going to be provided going to change. Okay, so we need to compulsorily choose the free always free type. Then this is the first screen where user have to enter the email address and user that means here password, and retype that password. Then how your name look like in the AWS Cloud, that username you need to provide, so that when you see the home screen every time you are going to see that name only. Next, second step, here we need to give the full details, like you are going to use this for business or for personal, that you need to choose, and your name in full, and phone number, and the country and address, city, state, and postal code, and you need to click on this checkbox and create account and continue button we need to click. This is the second step. Third step, it is the AWS services whatever we are going to get going to be chargeable generally. So for security reason, they are asking the users who are going to use this AWS services how to enter their credit card and debit card details, the number on the card, and the expiration month and date, and the cardholder name, and the CVV which appears backside of the debit card or the credit card that we are going to select, that are going to provide. And if you have PAN card you need to select yes. If you don't have, no. Then click on verify and continue. This is third step. Okay, so then we'll go to fourth step. There the security checkup will be done, the captcha will be available. That captcha same we need to enter. After this fourth step, fifth step, OTP going to be provided to you. So once you receive a call we need to enter that OTP, so that your identity going to be done successfully. So after 5 steps, this is the fifth step, the sixth step. There we are going to see this tick mark. Then once you created the AWS account successfully, then we are going to see these three kind of screens one after another. The first screen, you need to choose the type of user. Generally every user is a root user. You need to provide your email address. Then second step, there the captcha whatever going to appear, that correctly we need to enter in the below text box. Then third step, once that is validated in second step, then we will move on to the third step. There your mail ID going to be displayed and your password you need to enter correctly. Then you click on sign in button. So when you click on sign in button, you are going to see home screen like this. AWS management console, under which we are going to see many services. And if you see top right corner, the region and the user name we are going to see. So that is creation of AWS account. And now we are going to see the what I told at the beginning of the session is we are going to see about more information on the cloud, benefits of the cloud. Okay, so we are seeing cloud, the AWS cloud. So here AWS, if you take, it is begun in 2016, especially for providing infrastructure to their clients. Okay, and it have many active customers around 190 countries. Okay, and here this is the diagram which shows AWS cloud have many regions. In each region will have many availability zones, local zones in that region. So so far we will have 25 regions and 81 availability zones. So next, this is the map showing where blue color dots specifies already available availability zones, means available regions, and orange zones indicates they are yet to come in the future. They are working towards that to bring that physical cloud infrastructure there. Then this is the layout of the Amazon cloud. It will have set of layers like a perimeter layer, infrastructure layer, data layer, environmental layer, like that. And here the security is main aspect of AWS. So for managing of the AWS service, means cloud service, the AWS will take care of will take that responsibility, whereas user also have responsible for providing security in the cloud. So both, suppose AWS provides security for 70%, if you assume 30% user have to take care, like giving credentials perfectly and maintaining them confidentially. And the benefits of AWS cloud, if we take the number of servers that are going to be cut down or increased depending on the number of users going to be using the cloud. That is scaling up and down is possible, and we can save money using this AWS cloud. Why? Because if you have a vehicle on your own, you need to maintain the everything. Monthly daily expenses, monthly maintenance, and everything you need to bear, whereas that going to be taken care by the AWS, only you need to use it. Okay, and the third, if you take whatever requirements we'll have, the services going to we'll have many services in AWS cloud, so we'll use the corresponding service to achieve that requirements. Then the data is safe in this AWS cloud. So the benefits of AWS cloud, if you take security and according to requirements, we will choose service, and scaling up and down, and we can save money. And we will see the kind of the cloud services that we are going to use for our needs are fall into three can use the three kinds of platforms. One is AWS management console, another is CLA command line interface platform, and the third is SDK software development kits. So we are using at the beginning of using that AWS Cloud is AWS management console, first one. Then if you see the certifications of AWS Cloud, so there were three categories of certifications they are going to provide. If the user having 6 months of experience and have knowledge about AWS Cloud, basic knowledge about the AWS Cloud, can go for cloud practitioner. Okay, the logo used for cloud practitioner certification is this, looking like this. Okay, border hexagon with the gray color border, and associate going to be when they are eligible for associate is they will have 1 year of experience, and they are having knowledge on providing solutions for some of basic problems. So under this there are three kinds of certifications they are going to provide. One is solutions architect, and other is developer associate, and third is system apps administrator. And the higher level of certification that AWS Cloud going to provide is the users who have 2 years of experience, and they have more knowledge, extensive knowledge on designing solutions, and troubleshooting, operating the solutions using the AWS Cloud. So there the hexagons have the light green color, and the possible certifications allowed under this professional category are solutions architect and DevOps engineer. So these are the three possible certifications are there under Amazon AWS Cloud. One is foundational, means AWS certified cloud practitioner, and second is associate category. There are three categories in which we are going to get certification. One is solutions architect, another is sysops administrator, and third is developer associate. And third category of certification is under professional, in which solutions architect is one type, and another is DevOps engineer is other type. The specializations under this AWS are machine learning, security, databases, data analytics, and advanced networking. So these are the categories of certifications. So friends, like this video, share this video to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon which will notify the new videos that were posted into my channel. So encourage my friends. Thank you a lot.